Hello everyone, this is Asher and welcome back to T-Now. And today we are not going to fix anything, but we are going to here. Welcome to the Hyundai Motorstudio Goyang, one of the most innovative and futuristic car showroom in the world. In this video, we will take a closer look at the design, technology and features of the Hyundai cars on display here. Now, let's move inside and explore the exhibitions hall. The Hyundai Motorstudio Goyang showcase the latest model of Hyundai's cars. The exhibition area are divided into different zones such as the car area, connect wall, steel process, create safety, and VinLab. In the car area, you can see the car close-up and learn about their features, performances, and design. In the Connect wall, you can experience the advanced connectivity and infotainment system of the Hyundai cars. In the steel process, you can witness the precision and quality of the car manufacturing process. In the Create Zone, you can unleash your creativity and design your own car. One of the most exciting features of Hyundai Motorstudio Goyang is the Color Lab. Here, you can choose from a wide range of colors and finish for your car, including metallic, pearl, and matte. Once you have selected your color, you can watch as the painting robot apply the paint to your car with precision and speed. The painting process is fully automated and take only a few minutes to complete. You can even take a video of the process and share it on social media. With the Color Lab, you can customize your cars and exact specification and create a truly unique driving experience. In the Safety Zone, you can learn about the safety features and technologies that make Hyundai's cars some of the safest on the road.
이렇게 나머지 두 개 에어백은 운전석 에어백과 정수석이에요.
That's it for our tour of Hyundai Motorstudio Goyang. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Hyundai car. If you ever in Seoul, make sure to visit the Hyundai Motorstudio Goyang and experience the future of automotive technology. And that's all for now. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.